advantage of this report is you can actually see how your student is doing against the actual standards in grade 4. So for example, if I'm a Florida parent here and I'm aligned to the Florida standards, this will allow me to go into the specific standards, for example, in number sense. And then anywhere you see this yellow or red triangle, this is where your students might be struggling. So I'm going to go into this. This is multiplying two whole numbers, each up to 2 digits using a standard algorithm. And here I notice that some of these students are having trouble with multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit numbers. So what this might allow you to do as a parent is, as students are progressing through Prodigy's curriculum, we will actually flag areas that they are struggling so that you might be able to help them in your homeschool practice in those particular areas, as opposed to covering everything. And the skills that they have mastered, you'll be able to see their name in the mastered column here. So you can see they've got this down. You don't necessarily need to spend any more time on it. Finally, one other thing that I will say is in terms of how the Prodigy curriculum works. So there is a placement test that runs for every student the first time that they come in, or every school year we actually reset the placement test and they get to rerun through the placement test.